Hello.
Hello.
We've come on the farmer's market. What are we doing today? Just hanging out?
Bike riding.
Just enjoying the day on the beach. We've been to the farmer's market. I don't know if I can show it to you. I'll try. You know I like playing with my zoom, so we was over there. Bunch of street. Oh, there's my big hand. Bunch of street vendors all over there. We went and visited. She got her an apple. What is that? Riding bikes today?
Yeah.
Enjoying the day. It's supposed to be like no rain. It's sunny today.
There's a big storm cloud right above us though.
We got some sun, but then we got all this. So. But anyhow,
It'll be beautiful.
I'm still enjoying it. I love the beach. I think I'll come out of the sweater. But we'll be back. Please do not feed the squirrels. Okay. Here you see the elusive Pokemon hunters in their natural habitat, hunting their Pokemon. Oh, if you look, we have another Pokemon hunter. The elusive Pokemon hunter. Rarely do you get to see them. We have been on a bike, riding bikes all day.
Yes.
You see the bikes there. So now we're gonna go over and check out this island. Oh, I didn't see the big American flag. Let's roll and check out the island. There might be some drastic wind noise.
Yeah. It's really windy, but it still feels really good.
Yeah. Veterans Memorial Island Sanctuary. It's hard to read though. Yes. Man, it's super bad. I know it's gonna be like this. Wind wasn't so bad. I know the wind's really bad. I was going to show you some of this part, but the wind's super bad, so I'm not going to show it all. Because you're probably not hearing me anyway. But it's an island dedicated to the service, men and women in service, all the branches of the military. It's a really nice part. But yeah, this one right here. Good morning, everybody. It's another day. We just got up. I haven't woke up yet. But anyway, today what we have planned is, first I'm gonna make some coffee. She's gone over to Planet Fitness, or Starbucks, to do her thing. You know, get her little hoity-toity coffee she gets. I'm just gonna make mine some good old American, you know, hard to drink, black as oil coffee. That's what I like. We're gonna go to the laundromat. I've got a lot of dirty clothes to get clean. I think we're gonna go find a place to camp out for a few days. She was online, ran across this conservation area. I don't remember the name of it. You know me, I'm terrible with names. But anyways, it looked like it's going to be a pretty nice place, so we're going to go out there and check it out. Maybe spend about 2 days out there. So, yep, still exploring, still adventuring. So, let's get this day started, get some coffee in me, and we'll pick you up. For me, it's going to be about an hour, 2 hours. For you, it'll just be a few minutes, but we will be back.
Too fast. Can't keep up with it. So we are fixing to take, what is this? Semi-tropical maritime hammock, Lori Wilson Park Trail. Sweet. Today, oh, we're gonna meet a famous YouTuber today. You haven't met him. You know him? Denoy?
I haven't met him.
Denoy living in a van. Wait, huh? There's a box around your head. Okay. What's that say? I just saw that out of the corner of my eye.
temperate. I don't know what it says. Moving on. Let's go.
I was talking about the soil.
The soil.
Vegetation.
Well, I'll see you later.
Something about raccoons.
I hear children. Are we gonna be attacked by munchkins? Oh, what? This ain't. Okay. I'm very disappointed in this. She's like, you're really going to enjoy that nature walk tonight. We're literally 4 steps in the other parking lot. Holy
I
cow.
feel like we might see more nature in this one though versus yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, there's a park over there. They're barbecuing. Well, I mean, 7 steps later, we're out of the nature trail. I think it runs along the beach and everything. So I'm going to pause this right now. And we'll be back. Moving on. Oh, and it goes. Oh, we do get to go back in the bushes. That wind's gonna be like super staticky on here. This is a pretty nice little trail, though.
This is a nice trail. It's a beautiful day.
I like the way the sun reflects off the water over here. How it has that glare. It's so romantic. Moving on. I don't feel like getting all sandy right now. We can get to the beach that way. Oh, and here's how, if you want to get to the storage building, you take this path. Alrighty. That's thick. Can you imagine trying to walk through that? I don't know if I could do it. Say hello to your mother.
Hi, Mom.
Moving on. Could be kind of hard to see, but look at this cool thing we found. It's got a glare. I don't know if you can read it. It says, kids, pick out any toy to play with. Keep it or borrow it. Do your part to make our beaches clean by putting toys back in this box. So they have like a box where kids can play on the beach with toys. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. No fireworks though. Moving on.
Shot here.
So
No, you're not.
we just watched each other. Oh, is it? Hang on, folks. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's stuck.
We're gonna end this day right here.
See here.
Bye. Say bye.
Good.
Bye.
We just had a good. Oh, where'd all the
Feels
food
like there's a
go?
little piece stuck right there.
Well,
I think I just broke a yoke.
We had a good meal, I swear. Watch a little YouTube.
There's
What do we do
something
today?
stuck right there.
Oh, got to meet Denoy. Almost
All right,
forgot.
dislodge it a little bit. Let's see.
Denoy from Living in a Van.
Oh, not as impressive.
Here's a little map. I don't know how I got sidetracked.
We got something left behind this year.
A little map we mark off where we go.
All right, you know what? It's
For some reason it looks kind of weird zooming in there. But anyhow, I don't know how much all in this video. I haven't been keeping track. I've ate way too much. Oh, my bad. More Matt. There I am. There she is. Me,
Hi,
her,
hi.
me, her.
Bye.
So we're gonna end this so I can get this uploaded. You can't see me. I'm like right here. This is me. So we're gonna say goodbye.
Yeah, it was a great day. The weather's been really beautiful. It was great to meet Denoy. It was just a nice day.
So if you get a chance, go check out Denoy's Living in a Van. Yeah, I think that's all it is. His YouTube channel. He has a very inspirational story. It's definitely a roller coaster, but it's, I don't know. I've been following him like 3 years, so I've got to see it from beginning to end. And it's just I don't know. He just keeps going on. I don't know how he does it, but my belly's full. I'm tired, so I'm gonna get off here, lay down, watch a movie. This is where we say, oh yeah, I say, God bless you and bye.
Bye.
I can't fit in there, so.